Daddy. Natakpan si Daddy.
Ilan ba tayo? 7.
Tagay tayo, baby.
Parang di tayo gagawin.
Parang.
Parang tayo lagi tayo.
Lagi dito, parang.
Hindi kayo lagi.
Okay na?
Punta ka na rito. Kaya niya? Oo, kaya nga.
Carb lang naman. Ayun eh.
Saka wag lang
Pagod lang siya.
Pagod siya.
Papagod siya. Kasi uphill.
Ayun.
Wala pang sakayan. Sakayan lang si Mami. Si Mami lang.
5 piso lang po kayo.
Oo nga eh. Ma! Isakay na lang kaya natin si Mami. Eh baka mapagod kayo eh.
Maganda yan, exercise siya.
Oo nga. Narinig mo yung sa akin daddy kanina. Sabi, yung nag-picture.
Absurd.
Ano? Ano sabi?
Absurd.
Ano sabi? Mag-i-type pa ng ano. Ano sabi?
Diana.
Oo.
Salita.
Ay! Dali na.
Mamaya na.
Sabi niya, kailangan daw ng kapatid ni Lali.
Ha? Hindi.
Hindi sabi ko, what? So he's gonna be my brother. Sabi niya, I didn't say it was for you. Lali needs a brother. Mami, picture ako kayo, dali. Kapagod na ako ah. 1, 2, bye. Kaya po hindi naman ako may kanyo ah.
Bimpo. Ah. Suklay mo, nasa akin.
Mami, pero nga nasusuklay.
You have to put them in the charger, or they won't be charged. I don't know. They're not solar. You can't put them in the sun and recharge.
Huwag mong sabihin, mawawalan tayo ng baterya.
I actually have a solar battery charger.
Okay.
It's like 4 days to charge 4 batteries.
Oo nga. Yeah, right.
Overnight lang kailangan ng charging.
Double A battery dun dyan.
So your phone, camera, it takes a lot of energy. That's one of the reasons I keep that old one.
Mm-hmm.
Bes, si Mami, guide mo.
Ako nang gala ng bagito. Eh, kayamanan ba to? Pero, magtatanan na kami. Alis na kami, Emi.
Don't touch me.
Ay! Hindi, wala na akong battery. Battery.
Kapag in-convert ko to into MP4, Bes, liliwanag to.
May converter ka?
Madali na mag-download.
Init.
Tagaytay daw.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay iso.
Bam!
Ano pa kasi, Ma'am? Hindi siya pwedeng bumibili. Nakasuktalan siya.
Oh my goodness. Ko pala.
Wala na yung battery.
Sagara na lang. Ayun, People's Park. Hindi na ano. Kompleto.
People's in the sky. Vintage sky.
Kay ma. Ay, wala na talagang battery.
Video. Yeah. I'm gonna upload this on Facebook.
Init naman eh. Dad.
I'm gonna upload this on Facebook.
How do you do that?
Oh, I
file
told you.
transfer.
How?
Was it more than an hour ago? Then I forgot.
You have a retrograde amnesia. Okay, ano ka kain?
How much the battery ka?
150 for 2 AA battery.
Wow, that's a rip-off.
Oh yeah,
Big time.
big time rip-off.
That's like what it costs in America almost.
But you can buy it for like 50 pesos for 4 batteries.
Believe it or not, that's still cheap. When you get to America, you realize like $8 for 4 batteries.
Ang game na. Film!
Ayang battery.
1, closer. 1.
Still love it.
Let's go.
That was the idea. Like that.
Oh, hell no, baby.
Come on, baby.
You do something.
Off that camera. I'll throw you down after it.
I'm gonna come after it. Come on, come on. Dali! There's people.
They won't know. I'll tell you.
Dali na. Come on, lad. Sige, yan saan? Please stand there.
Do I have to?
I'm serious.
Post natin sa video, puro tayo. Puro to.
Turan?
Post natin sa video.
Siguro?
Post natin, puro tayo.
Oo, wala na, wag na naman. Never, ang dinikat mo.